какие красавцы. Посмотри. Посмотри, какие колеса.
This bird is a bird of love because we live together, man and wife, all like this. We say the lagoon.
Do they want to eat something, yeah? They thought we have food.
Maybe I don't know what to eat this bird.
If we knew, we will we bought it.
It's very nice. It's a new bird here.
Yeah.
Before 2 days we can first time see this. And
I know.
because don't tell anyone we have a swan. Because I have some of the people don't see pelican. Why don't have pelican? Why? It's a wild bird, it's not my bird. Something is here, something in all.
It's a pity for me too. I want to take a photo, but they're very far away. That's why I asked them, maybe we need to have fish with us. And you know, and you come, hello, hello, fish. Like, you know, in Egypt, people, it's prohibited there. It's not actually illegal, but people keep rent.
Ah yes,
Take photos.
you know, for 10 days, have here, I think all pelicans be here.
Yeah?
Be here all day, very nice. And one man with a boat going. Pelicans carried 10 days, no more pelicans.
Not a good man.
I tell always it's a wild animal,
Yeah.
very nice. And we have like 50 meters we can see. And he's carried the people, he's carried every time. Motor people and fly. These days we I think 100 pelicans here. And everybody picture and one boat. Boom! It's carried 10 days, no one. This place play drone here.